Alright, hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on this feathered and fluffy soap brow look. I've been seeing this eyebrow look all over social media, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, you name it, and I honestly never thought I'd be able to do it on my own brows just because my natural brows are so sparse and thin, but I've been practicing and I think I found the right products and technique for it. So yeah, I'm excited to share it, especially with summer coming up. This is going to be such a fantastic brow look just because it is very natural and fluffy but still gives your face some definition. So if you have sparse and thin eyebrows like me, and or you just want to figure out how to do this soap brow look, keep on watching. First, you'll want to take your brow wax or soap. This is the Soap Styler by Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to take the little brush, and because this is a soap, I'm dipping it in water, and I'm going to rub my wet brush over the soap to create a bit of a paste, and this is what we're going to use to style our brows. This is what the brush will look like. You can also use a spoolie, but I prefer the brush that came with the kit. And now I'm starting to brush the product onto my brows. I'm going to start at the front end of my brow and brush those hairs straight up, and as I work towards the end of my brow, I'm going to kind of sweep those in an angle. And you may need to go over your brows a few times until you get the hairs positioned how you want them to. So just looking at the brow I just did, it's already a huge difference. Now I'm going to repeat on the other brow. Again, I am brushing the hairs at the front of my brow straight up, and then as I move towards the tail, I am brushing those at a bit of an angle. And I'm just going over my brow hairs a few times until I'm happy with how they lay. And these are what my brows look like after both of them are done, very fluffy and feathery. Now to fill in the brows, I'm going to be taking the NYX Professional Makeup Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen, and I am in the shade Espresso. I'm going to be using this to create hair-like strokes. At the front of the brow, I'm going to create vertical strokes, so starting from the bottom and flicking up, since that's the direction that the hair lays. And I'm going to be cautious not to overfill it because I still want to see those hair-like strokes. And I'm going to be moving on to the rest of the brow, starting at the bottom and angling my strokes to follow the shape of the hair. And then you'll also want to fill in the top of your brow to give it some more definition in the opposite direction you filled in the bottom, kind of creating a crisscross pattern. And then if you also have any gaps in the center of your brow, you can also go in and add some more strokes until you are happy with how it looks. And now I'm just going to repeat the same steps on the other eyebrow. Don't worry about your brows looking super perfect and identical because this is a very natural type of brow and supposed to look like your real brow hairs. And these are what the finished brows look like. Very natural, fluffy, feathery, and I am so obsessed with them. Alright, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you decide to give this brow look a try, let me know in the comments below what you think. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the bell for post notifications. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Valentina, and I am so happy to have you here, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.